I'm Ed from the Gogetyours review channel. Today I managed to finally get my hands on these Besdio wireless earphones. I've seen these earphones in numerous places across the internet, including Instagram, and well, I thought I'd take a leap of faith and try them out for myself. So here they are, and the box is in grey. It's quite standard for this type of earphones to have the Besdio logo just right here in the bottom right hand corner. Let's delve inside. And first of all, we have a detailed user manual, a quick start guide, and an 18-month warranty. There's a small flat micro USB cable, a good selection of different sized earbuds, including 2 extra small, 2 small, 2 medium, and 2 large earbuds, which are already fitted. The charging case, first impressions. Well, I think it looks real sleek. Let's go ahead and take the protected layer off. Oh, nice, shiny, shiny. To the left, we have a USB output. To the right, a 5V 1A micro USB insert, and to the front, a lid release mechanism. Wow, how well presented does that look? Very nice. Oh, and the lid is transparent. That's great, easy to see the charging lights from the inside. Most earphones with cases like this usually come with a solid colour, so yeah, that's a plus. Taking the earphones out, you can see underneath the charging pins within the embedded earphone socket. We have some LED indicators that will illuminate when placing the earphones back in place, and when doing so, each earbud will light to indicate charging, as you can see just there through that transparent lid. The battery in this charging case is a 3350 mAh battery, which when fully charged can charge the earphones over 40 times. That's around 120 hours extended playback on the go. With each of these earphones having 45 mAh batteries, I really hope they reach that 3 hours use that's specified. But we'll see about that later. These earphones, by the way, are magnetic, so when placing them within the case, they will automatically lock themselves in the socket, aligning them straight onto the charging pins. The case itself has a bit of weight to it, obviously because of that big battery, but each earphone is quite light, weighing around 2 grams each. They are indeed waterproof IPX7, which can withstand some immersion into water, but with prolonged exposure can be harmful and damaging. Let's take a closer look, and each of these earphones have a mic. So yeah, you can use them singular or as a pair. They are compatible with Siri and Alexa, and this can be done via the touch control on either earbud. Let's hook them up first via the Bluetooth 5.0, and once connected, both earbuds will automatically sync to your device when they're took out of the charging case. The earphone controls are as follows. Single tap any earphone on the touch control to play, pause, answer or hang up calls. Double tap left for the previous or double tap right for the next track selection. Turning the volume up is done by a long press to the right, and the volume down a long press to the left. And if you touch and hold for an extended time, this will trigger Siri or Alexa.
What time is it in California just now?
The time in California is 6:52 a.m.
California knows how to party.
So I've been using these Besdio earphones now for 2 days. Not my usual 3-day test, but I've got to say, I'm pleasantly surprised. They sat very snug within my ears, they didn't fall out not once, and that's thanks to the correct size earbud being inserted for my ear size. Once in place and within my ears, audio was silenced from the outside world. Bass is fantastic, not over the top, but simply spot on, having a low bass rating of 15,100 Hz. High and low tones are good too, very clear, but the mids are just a tad bit overpowering. Nevertheless, they really did sit good with most genres of music. There's no sound deviation, all audio sat central, and the polarity between both drivers were again spot on. Now I did run the battery until flat 3 times. On 2 occasions the battery lasted a tad over 3 hours and once with 2 hours 50 minutes. That's with the volume being at 100%. And with the Bluetooth distance, I'm pleased to say that I got over the 10 meters specified with no obstacles in the way, with the audio finally cutting off at around 12 meters. Ooh. Okay, I don't usually go for these type of earphones as my ears tend not to hold them in tight enough, but I found that these particular earphones with the correct earbud selected and positioned within my ears correctly made the sound better. If they're not inserted properly, you won't get the desired quality. Alright, in truth, I only had one negative, and that's with regards to the touch buttons. They are great, they are very responsive, but when adjusting the earphones in my ear, it instantly triggered different commands on my phone. But I guess that's to be expected with earphones with touch control. One more thing I'm really pleased about is that these earphones have flashing LED lights that will only illuminate when paused. No, they don't stay on when music's playing, so you won't be getting any of those annoying earphones that flash. You know those ones that look like an airplane coming into land? No. Overall, I quite like the whole package, how they are presented, the sound, and I think with a lot of new mobile phones these days, including their own more expensive earphones, these could be a cheaper alternative when on a budget. But what would I really give these earphones today out of my usual rating out of 10? Well, drumroll please! Well, honestly, today I think I've got to give these Besdio wireless earphones 9 out of 10. Wow. Guys, I'll leave a link for these earphones in the video description down below. Go and take a look. And as usual, please share this video wherever possible. Go ahead and smash that like button. Please subscribe. Making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on my new uploads when they hit my channel. Thank you guys for sticking around and I'll see you all on my new video coming soon. Thanks for watching and peace.